Capacity of a body for doing work is called energy. If the direction of displacement is at an angle theta with the direction of a force, then work done is Fs cos theta. The SI unit of work is joule. The direction of displacement and direction of force are same, then work done is Fc. When a force of 1 produces a displacement of 1 centimeter in the direction of force, then work done is 1 erg. The product of force and velocity measures power. Dimensional equation of power is L square mt to the power of minus cube. Watt is the practical unit of power in dash system SI system. 1 watt is equals to 1 joule per second.